That is really nice. How disgusting is that? Yuck! I think I just broke it anyways. Who cares? Hey, and welcome to another episode of me. And I did something a bit naughty yesterday. I bought the brand new Garmin. So this one is sort of got like the white, off-white tinge to the band, and then it is the gold watch face, not the rose gold, just the normal gold. Okay, this box is super cute. It just, I don't know, it just fits in your hand. So cute. It's like the perfect present size. I really wish I wrapped it up for myself because I currently am using the 44mm Apple Watch. Look, it's good. Like, it does what I need, but I just don't feel like it's accurate, or it doesn't really make me happy, to be honest. It doesn't spark me that joy. And yeah, I don't know how to describe it. Look, it's good for the average person that just wants to track their steps. But as me, I do go to the gym, I do train, I have a coach, so I need that little bit more extra data. This doesn't do it. So, see, look at all that stains. Just doesn't do it for me. See this? See you later. Hope I didn't damage that because my mom wants it. Ooh. The 2S, which is the top model of just the normal Venu 2. But what I did notice, because there are two versions, the S, I think in my mind, stands for smaller version, because this face is a smaller version than the 44mm watch. So sleek. Like, check that out. Alright, I'll put that to the wonderful side, but inside the box, do a little bit of a wiggle jiggle. Interesting how they did this. Like, it's no Apple product. So we got the charging cord. So it's the USB port. On the other side is the Garmin port, obviously to go into the watch. We have the instruction booklet and some important safety product information that, to be honest, nobody reads. so I just got back from the beach. I will post a little video of Axel running up and down and playing in the sand. It's so cute. Digging to China. But played around with the watch. Overall, I am extremely happy with it. I can't fault, I can fault it. So I noticed that on the Garmin watches, you cannot get a normal Apple Pay. They do have Garmin Pay, yes, but it's not for all banks. So I recommend before you get the watch, check if your bank is on that list. My one is not. I even contacted my bank to see when they were planning on coming to Garmin, and they're not at all. So that is a massive letdown, and I wish I knew that before I bought the Garmin. So check your bank first. The other thing, there's no store cards on this at all. So when I go pay for my petrol, I can't just tap my flybys. That's gonna be annoying, so I just have to take my phone everywhere I go, which it's not a big deal at all. I'm not going to return the watch just because of that reason. That's the only bad thing about it. Everything else is great. Love it. Highly recommend it. And that's the unboxing video reveal and my review on it. Altogether, 4 out of 5 stars. How's that? Like, subscribe, follow, share this around, then you'll get notified when I post new videos, when I post products, when I complain, when I vent, all of that goodness. See you in the next episode, guys, and have a beautiful day.